Hi YouTube, what's happening? One more recap today. This is from the second break, second case overall that we've done of the Bowman Sterling Football, and by far of the three, it was the best. So here you go. Bills rookie card, Andy LaVitre. Rookie card of Eric Wood, Jarius Byrd, and a jersey card of Lee Evans for the Bills. In this entire break, there was one team that did not get a jersey or an auto of the 32 teams. It was the Steelers, but they still got a couple nice cards. Cowboys, Mike Mickens, autograph of Manuel Johnson, and a jersey card of Stephen McGee. Browns, David Vacoon, rookie, stuck to an Alex Mack, rookie, and a Muhammad Massaquoi game used jersey. Colts had a Fili Mola and a Donald Brown jersey card. Buccaneers hit one hit with a Josh Freeman jersey. Jags one hit with the Rashad Jennings autograph, and the Bears got two Greg Olsen jersey cards. Alright, next we got Ravens, X-Fractor of Paul Kruger, refractor autograph of Cedric Pierman, game used jersey of Ray Rice. Broncos, base rookie of Robert Ayers, refractor of Darcel McBath, Alfonso Smith Jr. refractor, and an Eddie Royal jersey. Panthers had a refractor of Tony Fiametta, jersey card of Steve Smith, two black jerseys of D'Angelo Williams, and one blue jersey of D'Angelo Williams. Chiefs had X-Fractor Tavares Williams rookie, Quentin Lawrence rookie, and a Quentin Lawrence black refractor rookie. It should be numbered to 50. Yeah. Jersey card Jamal Charles, refractor jersey Jamal Charles, and jersey auto of Jamal Charles. Alright, next we got Bengals, rookie card Bernard Scott, two Andre Smiths, another Bernard Scott, missed that one earlier, and a Marlon Lucky autograph. Steelers, Evander Hood, and an Evander Hood refractor, and an Evander Hood X-Fractor, and a Frank Summers gold refractor. That one is numbered to 25. Dolphins had a refractor of Sean Smith, and a black refractor jersey of Jake Long, numbered 1/50. For the Texans, Texans, Jeremiah Johnson, and a James Casey refractor auto. Patriots, Darius Butler, Patrick Chung ×2, and a black refractor of Patrick Chung, number to 50. Also a Tyrone McKenzie refractor, a Ron Brace refractor, and a Brian Hoyer autograph. Falcons, Pariah Terry, and a Harry Douglas jersey auto. The Rams got a Brooks Foster ×2. So this one's a refractor version. Donnie Avery jersey. Cardinals, refractor jersey of Anquan Bolden, regular jersey Anquan Bolden. Chris Beanie Wells ×2. Two jerseys of Chris Beanie Wells. Alright, next stack. We got Giants. Autograph of Travis Beckham. Andre Brown white jersey, and Andre Brown painted red jersey, and an Andre Brown jersey autograph rookie card. For the Titans, a refractor jersey of Javon Ringer, Jared Cook Jr. autograph, a Kenny Britt jersey auto, and a gold refractor dual auto of Javon Ringer and Lendale White redemption. Seahawks had 2 Aaron Curry jerseys and a Deion Butler jersey. Packers got a 3-color jersey with a little yellow in the corner of Ryan Grant, and a 101 printing plate of B.J. Raji, yellow printing plate. Jets, single jersey of Dustin Keller. Saints, an autograph of Malcolm Jenkins. Redskins, refractor auto Marco Mitchell. Regular auto Marco Mitchell. Refractor auto of Chase Daniel. Refractor auto of Jason Williams. Refractor jersey of Santana Moss. And a regular jersey of Santana Moss. Alright, Lions. Got Louis Delmas, Calvin Johnson jersey, Derek Williams jersey, Brandon Pettigrew jersey, Brandon Pettigrew refractor jersey, and a Matthew Stafford refractor jersey card. 49ers, more of them here. Scott McKillop ×2, plus a Scott McKillop refractor. Bear Pasco refractor. Corey Sheets auto. Refractor jersey of Nate Davis. Refractor jersey of Glenn Coffey. And a black refractor jersey of Glenn Coffey, numbered 250. Raiders. Louise Murphy. Mike Mitchell ×2, black refractor of Mike Mitchell, number 50. Darius Hayward Bay jersey card, and very nice black refractor jersey auto of Darren McFadden, number 15. That one's pretty sick. Last stack. Save the best for last, right? Larry English for the Chargers ×2. Jeremy Childs auto. Refractor auto of Demetrius Byrd. Phillip Rivers jersey. Phillip Rivers refractors jersey. And the green refractor numbered /10 of LaDainian Tomlinson, 1/10 autograph. Pretty sick. Vikings Asher Allen refractor. Phil Lodeholt X-Fractor. Ian Johnson 2 refractor rookie card autos. A Percy Harvin jersey ×2. A Percy Harvin jersey auto. And finally, the Adrian Peterson gold jersey autograph, numbered /30. So pretty sick. Great case, 4-box case, outstanding stuff. We've had absolute minimal teams go hitless. Every team has ended up with something in the end, whether it be refractor rookies and that kind of stuff. But good product for group breaks. Hopefully a lot of these rookies will pan out. Another update from case number 3 coming up. Peace.